Today I'm finna put shocks on my front end of my truck. It's tearing up my brand new tires. So I decided, after thought of a friend of mine, to make a video on how easy it is to do it instead of paying $130 an hour to do it. So here go the old shock. Gone. Right here. Heating my tires up. You can push it down. And it comes back up slow. That's no good. So I got the new one right there, Monroe Gasmatics. Nothing but the best, especially if you're spending money on the truck. So I'm finna show how easy it is to do it. Probably be done in less than 5 minutes. So I loosen the bolts up. Got my pry bar right here. I pry in between here and then here. Oops, wrong. I pried here and then up here to pull it out. So now I just unscrew the bolts, pull the washers out, for a second, one moment please. Put my gloves on. I'm here at the truck stop in Houston, at the Loves. Just pry these all the way out now. They come out nice and easy. Not always. I put a little horn on it. Put the new one on. Set it up. This is the new shock. Pull the old one off, put the new one on. Wipe that grease off of there. I want no grease eating up my new rubber. Try to get at least a year of service out of this. That's all they're good for. Put that on there. Gotta hold on for a second. I gotta get my clip. Wire cutter so I can cut this plastic, because this is a ring on here that's very, it holds the gas shock down. So when I cut it, it will go up. I just adjust it, put it on there. Use my hammer to hammer them on. Rubber hammer, that is. Don't want to hit the cylinder. Once you do that, all you do is put the washer back on, a nut, washer. Find the washer, put the nut back on, and that's it. And that's how you put shocks on your truck instead of paying for 2 hours at the shop at around $75 to $140 an hour. Until next time.